Welcome and embrace the face that is the Sulk Nation. Round 2. Yes, this video is round 2 of the mods category of the Vaping Championships 2018. And boy, do I have a doozy for you today. We have 2 high-powered mods. We have the Innokin Proton mod and the Vapour Puma mod. We've got the 235 watts of the Proton Plex against the 200 watts of the Vapour Puma mod. Which will win? Which will go through to the final of the mods category of the Vaping Championships 2018? Well, let's start getting to it. I mean, the Proton is a stunning looking mod. It's really, really nicely finished. It's got a huge screen, all of the functionality in the world. You can change the color of the screen. You can do so much with it. You've got the whole side button as the trigger. It's a beast of a mod. The Vapour Puma, well, let's just say insanity going on in the finish of this mod. A small little screen, a bit of an old school screen going on. It's got a lot of functions as well, not as many as the Proton, but it's all very compact. It's a smaller mod, wider but shorter, smaller. Both mods take dual 18650 batteries. It's going to come down to the performance once again. So to do that, I'm going to stick the Avatar Mesh Tank Nano on top of either of them and see which one I feel performs the best. So first up, the Proton. I love how comfortable it feels in the hand. It feels really nice and easy to hold. You've got a textured back panel to go into the palm of your hand. Your trigger button is the whole side of the mod. Functional, it's easy, and it performs as I expect, as I want it to perform. So next up, let's see the performance of the Vapour Puma. Now, something I absolutely love about this mod is the value. It's got a lot of value. It's a relatively inexpensive mod. How does it perform? The most apparent thing instantly with the Puma is just how quick it gets that power to those coils. It's just absolutely, as soon as you press that button, we're there. We've got power. We've got 200 watts straight away. It's absolutely superb. For a mod at the price point that this is, I mean, that is absolute sterling performance. This is going to be such a hard choice to see who goes through to the final to meet the Aspire Signet mod. Drum roll, please. I've got my sweat on, people. This is a big decision. Some would say a life-changing decision. I'd say not so much. The mod that wins this round is the Vapour Puma. The Puma wins. The Puma goes through to the final. And speaking of the final, tune in because I know all of you watching this are absolutely excited. You're going out of your mind. What's going to win? Is it going to be the Puma? Is it going to be the Signet? I would say you decide, but you don't. I decide.